guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those that are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Iris. I try to upload once a week. I upload lifestyle videos, lifestyle vlogs, a little bit of everything, fashion, decor, beauty, recipes, just a little bit of everything. So if you like those type of videos, please consider to hit that like and subscribe button. So in today's video, it is 5:27 p.m. I want to have like a cozy afternoon. Like I want to watch a video, I want to cook. Well, first I want to like tidy up a little bit, well, especially in the kitchen. I'm going to clean the kitchen, just tidy up. Like it's not that dirty, but I have to put like dishes away to start cooking, because I don't know about you guys, but I like to cook in a clean kitchen. Like I cannot clean if there's dirty dishes or just like things all over the place. I just can't. So I am going to make a lentil soup. And of course, when I'm done cooking, I'm gonna eat. And then a little later, I'm thinking about like drinking a glass of red wine with popcorn, watch one of those fall movies, and just chill. I wanna have like a cozy fall afternoon. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and clean this kitchen, because I need to clean this kitchen, okay? And I did put a little bit of makeup on just because Lord knows I needed to put a little bit of makeup on. Done cleaning up my kitchen just a little bit, not like deep clean, because I am starving. I need to start cooking, but before I do that, I'm in the mood, just because I still have to take my dogs out. I'm in the mood. I mean, I would love to drink a coffee right now. I don't know if it's like a Hispanic thing, but we drink coffee at night. So I don't want nothing too crazy, nothing too caffeinated. All right, so I bought this tea, guys, and this is from Bigelow Toasted Coconut Almond Bark Black Tea. Oh my god, this is bomb, you guys. This is so good. Like, I'm gonna make myself some of this, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of half and half with a little bit of maybe sugar or maybe maple syrup. I'm not sure, but I am going to have this and take my dogs out because I need to start cooking. All right, so my battery died, so I just went ahead and started to cook the lentils. I rinsed them and then I put them on the stove. So now they are boiling, and I think they're done. It's been like 18 minutes or less than that. They cook really quickly. All right, so I cut up some tomatoes, onion, and a jalapeno, and turkey franks, because I'm gonna saute all this. I'm gonna grill it together. And so the lentils are almost done. They're actually done, I think. I'm just gonna lower the fire. Let's see. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and start sauteing. jalapenos in here just because that would be extremely hot. I don't really eat that spicy, but I put like one of these just to give it a little, I don't know, flavor, like pepper flavor, I guess. But after when we're done, like if we want to put like extra, then yeah, that's what we will do. But for now, that little piece is fine. The lentil soup was super, super good. We actually just came back from our walk. We went to walk our dogs, and yeah, we just came back. So now I'm just gonna wind down. And so I made myself a cocktail and some popcorn. I don't know about you, but I always like to eat popcorn with a good glass of wine or with a cocktail. So I made myself a grape juice vodka cocktail. So good. I use this vodka right here, a little bit of tahini and chamoy, lime, and then grape juice over there, and my butter popcorn. Oh my god, so good. All right guys, so I'm about to just wind down, just chill, watch a movie, watch Netflix. I've been wanting to watch Emily in Paris just because a lot of people have been talking about it all over. It is all over social media, so I'm gonna do that, you know, eat popcorn. Also, does your dog love popcorn? Because mine does. And like right now she can't have any of these because these are butter popcorn. I do give her popcorn whenever it's like plain, you know, but who loves plain popcorn? I mean, I do, but not all the time, you know. So I'm just gonna wind down, watch this movie with my popcorn and my cocktail. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope your fall season is going great. I am loving it. We have fall weather finally here in Georgia. We do get warmer afternoons sometimes, but early morning and evening, amazing. We just get like 55-degree weather, or like 60 or like 52, something like that. I am loving it so far. I hope that you've been enjoying it. If you're still watching, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.